Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. The name here is John Williams. If you are new here, make sure you like, drop a comment, and most importantly, subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. In today's video, I'll be teaching you how to connect your Tonkeeper to your Hubs Sanka wallet. Yes, I'm coming to teach you. So we head out to Telegram. We head over to Telegram. Then we visit our Hamster Combat bot. Then you click on the airdrop. As you see on my screen, it says connect your Ton wallet. Then you click on connect. Then you click on connect your Ton wallet. Yes, in this session, you could see we have Tonkeeper, my Ton wallet, your Ton hub, and the wallet. Then you choose your Tonkeeper wallet, as you see. Then you download the app. As you see, so after our Ton wallet has been successfully been opened, you could see this session. It says create a new wallet. Then you click on create a new wallet. Then you create a new wallet. Then you choose a passcode for the account. Then you re-enter the code again. Then you click on enable notification. Yes, this is how to create the Tonkeeper wallet. At this point, you could see your Tonkeeper wallet has been successfully created. Yes. So after our Tonkeeper wallet has successfully opened or created, then you visit the hamster combat bot again. Then you follow the procedure as did earlier. Then you click on connect. At this page, it will allow you to connect your wallet to your hamster combat. Then you click on connect wallet. Then you enter the passcode you used. At this point, you are done connecting your wallet, Tonkeeper wallet, to your hamster combat. As you see, my Tonkeeper wallet has been successfully connected to my hamster combat bot. So if you find this video helpful, make sure you give this video a like, comment, and most importantly, subscribe to this channel for more videos. Thank you.